Please start interview.
Absolutely. We're officially starting. First question, could you tell me about yourself?
Hey, my name is Debouncing. I am a full stack developer from Delhi. I completed my diploma in computer engineering from AIT, followed by my graduation in BCA. After that, I joined IntelliPath full stack development course, and now I am focused on MERN Stack development. I use React and Tailwind for my front end, Node.js and Express for my back end, and for my database, I use MongoDB. One of my project is personal finance tracking app that extract data from PDF and so categorize spending through visual representation on dashboard. Right now, I am improving my backend skills and working on enhancing my communication, aiming for a full-time role in full stack development.
Thank you for that introduction. Now let's move forward. Could you explain what lexical scope is in JavaScript?
A lexical scope is a JavaScript concept that determines the accessibility of variable based on where a function is defined in the code. Because of lexical scope, a nested function can access the variable of its parent functions, and lexical scope is the foundation of Closure.
Got it. Now could you explain the difference between debouncing and throttling?
Is a technique that delays the execution of functions when the user stops performing an action uh, for a specified period of time. Debouncing is used to avoid unnecessary API calls, and it is improving performance. It is used in search bar or autocomplete, while throttling is used to control the frequency of execution of a function by allowing it to execute at a specified period of interval, and it is used in scroll, resize, and mouse related events.
Thanks for clarifying that. Now tell me 5 ways to improve React performance.
Uh, the first one is React Memo. It is used to prevent unnecessary render of a component. Second one is Use Memo. Use Memo is used to store the heavy or complex calculation and avoid unnecessary rendering of recalculations. And third one is use callback. It is used to memorize the functions and avoid unnecessary recreation of a functions on every re-render. Fourth one is lazy loading. Lazy loading load the component only when they are needed. Fifth one is virtualization. Virtualization render only the visible lists in a only visible item from a list.
Understood. Now let's compare child processes and worker threads in Node.js. Tell me the difference.
Child process are separated OS process and that are created by Node.js by using child process module. A child process has its own main thread, event loop, memory, and call stack. Even they have own heap memory, and it is suitable for a independent task. While worker thread is used to execute heavy computation or CPU intensive tasks, and with other main thread within the same process. It share memory, and main thread is used when the CPU task is intensive. Both both child process and worker threads are used to improving performance in application.
Thank you. Now, last question. Can you explain the difference between sharding and replication in a database context?
Sharding is a technique where data is divided and saved across multiple servers, uh, uh, on- and it is used to increase capabilities and storage capacity and balance load. On the other hand, replication, multiple copies of same data is saved across the multiple servers. It is used to increase the accessibility of data and increase fault tolerance and remain accessible even one server is failed.
Thank you for your answers. Now for feedback. I'd say you've improved a bit, around a 7 out of 10. Your technical content is strong and your confidence is building. The key area to refine is fluency. Try to smooth out those minor hesitations. but overall, you're getting closer to that confident delivery. Keep practicing and you'll nail it.
Thank you.